Gravity, who's bringing to you the all-white event called Caribbean Snowstorm, taking place on Saturday, June 30th, 2018. It's a event, Caribbean Snowstorm. I like the theme though. In the middle of the summer. Caribbean Snowstorm. Tell us about what's going on.
Well, Caribbean Snowstorm, we actually going to create a snowstorm in summer.
All right, what's the price of the ticket?
$40.
$40?
Yes.
For the all-inclusive event?
All inclusive.
Wow.
But if you don't get your tickets in advance, it's going to cost you more to get. So that's why we're encouraging people to get the tickets earlier, because it's going to cost you $60 at the gate.
Where are tickets available now that they can pick them up?
You actually can call 613-850-6320. The number is 613-850-6320, and you can get your tickets from the person. She will meet you anywhere to get your tickets. And also you can log on to www.ticketgateway.com and purchase your ticket online. You get a printout, and when you come, we scan the ticket. If it's legit, you're good to go inside the and this event is going to be a real crazy event, because we really go overboard to make this event a special event. And as I said, it's going to be exclusive for all inclusive.
Well,
so it's going to be special.
I saw the layout, and you have a lot of things set up: balloons, lighting, drapes, all kind of things you have set up ready in your plan.
Yes.
You have
VIP lounge and everything and stuff like that.
So you have a VIP lounge in the venue?
In the venue itself, yes.
And what does the VIP get you?
No, the VIP don't get you anything, but it's just gonna be like, you can go there and relax. If you're tired of dancing, if you're tired of eating, you just go there and relax. And also, if you have a madam, you can just go and sit down and just watch the TV, whatever showing on the television there as well.
You have a TV inside the place, man?
Oh man, I'm telling you.
As
I said, it's an exclusive for all inclusive.
All right.
Yeah, so it's going to be great.
So what about the people that to come with the decision that they're going down the bar?
I think that's impossible. I'm serious. I think that is really impossible.
Okay.
I'm telling you that much.
Well, one thing I gotta tell people, in an all-inclusive affair, realize you can go to the bar as much time as you want, but how many drinks can you drink? You know what I mean? And we don't need people getting obliterated, intoxicated.
Enough that they don't know themselves. Right. We just want everybody to come and enjoy themselves.
Because you will be ushered out.
Yeah, I know it.
You will be ushered out if you get intoxicated and you can't manage yourself and becoming a nuisance to the party. Yeah. You will be ushered out. So.
Ottawa, the ultimate white party.
This is it.
All right, you ready?
It's coming. Caribbean Snowstorm, June 30th, 10 p.m. Get ready to experience the unexpected. 174 Wilbrod Street, St. Joseph Hall, Ottawa. Live on stage. DJ Icy, DJ Sean from NYC, DJ Sporty, DJ Sweet Tune, Close Connection from NYC. Hosted by MC Crazy Chris from Toronto. It is the ultimate white exclusive event. And when we say exclusive, we really mean all inclusive. More info, hit up 613-850-6320. Add us on IG at Caribbean Snowstorm. DJ Icy, DJ Sean, DJ Sporty, DJ Sweet Tune, Close Connection, and hosted by MC Crazy Chris. Powered by Galaxy Media Group. The Caribbean Snowstorm, June 30th, 10 p.m. 174 Wilbrod Street, St. Joseph Hall, Ottawa. Tickets online, www.ticketgateway.com. The Caribbean Snowstorm, June 30th, 10 p.m. This event was